Court has refused to grant him interim bail, issues a notice instead to CBI on the Delhi Chief Minister's plea and challenge to arrest. What does the notice talk about? Tell us more, Shrishti.
Well, yes, the court has issued notice on Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea and also his plea challenging his CBI arrest. Notice has been issued to CBI, which basically means that Supreme Court has sought CBI's response to Arvind Kejriwal's plea, where he's challenged his arrest, calling it illegal, and also has sought bail in the CBI matter. Court has refused to grant him any interim bail at this stage, has listed the matter for hearing on 23rd August. So on 23rd August, the court will be considering both the pleas which have been filed by the Delhi's Chief Minister. Firstly, where he's challenged his arrest, and secondly, where he sought bail in the CBI case. Remember, the High Court had refused to grant him any relief in this case, where the High Court had upheld his arrest and said that there's nothing on record to show, there's no reason to say that his arrest by CBI was illegal. With regard to his bail plea, the High Court had asked him to go back to the lower court, because remember, in this particular, in the CBI matter, his legal team decided to not approach the trial court, which is usually the procedure for bail. They directly approached the High Court seeking bail, and in its order, the High Court had granted liberty to Arvind Kejriwal to move the lower court, the trial court, to seek bail. However, instead of doing that, his legal team decided to challenge that High Court order before the Supreme Court, where the top court has today issued notice to CBI. The CBI will now be filing its responses by 23rd August to both his pleas, firstly where he challenged his arrest and secondly where he sought bail. According to his lawyers, they've also told the Supreme Court today that CBI's decision to arrest Arvind Kejriwal was nothing more than an insurance arrest, because Kejriwal had already been granted bail by the lower court in the money laundering case, and only to make sure that he doesn't step out of jail, CBI took this decision and, in form of an insurance arrest, arrested the Delhi's Chief Minister. According to Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers, there are three favorable release orders that he has in his favor. Firstly being the trial courts, firstly being the interim bail, which was granted by the Supreme Court to Arvind Kejriwal to campaign for elections earlier, and secondly, the lower court's order, the vacation court's order, which had granted him bail in the PMLA matter, and the third order where the Supreme Court had also recently, while referring his plea challenging his ED arrest to a larger bench, the court had granted him interim bail. So according to them, there are three release orders that Arvind Kejriwal already has in his favor, and therefore CBI's arrest is nothing but an insurance arrest. The Central Bureau of Investigation, on the other hand, has maintained that they had enough evidence to arrest Arvind Kejriwal. They are only after collecting enough evidence did they decide to arrest the Chief Minister. We also saw the CBI lawyer calling Arvind Kejriwal the key conspirator, one of the key conspirators, and also the sutradhar of the entire criminal conspiracy around the alleged Delhi excise policy scam. So as of now, no interim relief for Arvind Kejriwal today from Supreme Court, considering the court has not granted him interim bail, but the court will hear his pleas on 23rd August, and it will be important to see what will CBI's response be, because earlier they had opposed Aam Aadmi Party's legal team's decision to come directly to the High Court and not go to the lower court seeking bail in the CBI case. So it will be important to see what will the Supreme Court have to say in that regard, and also what will CBI's response to his bail pleas and plea challenging his arrest be. Back to you.
It will be essentially status quo up until the 23rd day of August, Shrishti.
Well, yes, definitely he is behind bars as of now. He is still in judicial custody in these cases. He did get interim bail from Supreme Court, but he couldn't walk out of Tihar jail because he was already arrested. He was already behind bars in the CBI matter. In the CBI matter, he's not been able to get any relief from the High Court, where again he had argued that his arrest by CBI is nothing but an insurance arrest. He'd also questioned the timing of the arrest, that why was he arrested at such a point where he was already granted bail by the lower court in the PMLA matter. But despite those arguments, the High Court had decided to say that the court did not see any reasons to say that his arrest by CBI was illegal. And with regard to the bail, as I mentioned earlier, the court had asked him to go back to the lower court, because that's what usually the procedure is, where you first approach the lower court. Now, legally speaking, under CRPC, accused does have an option of directly approaching the High Court, which is exactly what Arvind Kejriwal's legal team in this case decided to go for. However, the court did not grant him bail and instead granted granted him liberty to approach the trial court seeking bail. But again, we saw him not moving the lower court for bail and come before the Supreme Court instead. So it will be important to see what will the Supreme Court have to say on the aspect of whether he should have directly approached the High Court seeking bail. Will the Supreme Court decide on his bail plea, or will the court ask him to go to the trial court and seek bail? Is something that will be very important to see once the hearing takes place on 23rd August.
All right, I'm going to thank you. Shrishti Ojha getting in those details. For the time being, no relief for the Delhi Chief Minister. The CBI has to reply to what the court has asked it to do. In fact, seeking answers from the CBI, issuing a notice. This is going to happen on the 23rd of August when the matter comes up again. Up until then, there is going to be no relief for the Delhi CM.